Hey there YouTube. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I got this really great TFal fryer for Christmas and I wanted to show it off a bit. I'm really impressed. It has a filtration system in it so you can filter all the stuff out of the oil after each use and really extend the life of your oil. So I just thought I would show it to you. Stainless steel, got a really nice basket, all your controls. That down there at the bottom is to filter your oil down into the reservoir that holds it. It's got handles on both sides, even though I don't plan to be moving it anywhere. The temperature controls on the top, and the on-off buttons on the side. It's in a little obscure spot, but I was able to find it even though I didn't read the instructions. It's got a minimum and maximum for your oil as well. I'm going to give this House Autry chicken fry breading a try. It's just something I found at the grocery store. I thought I would give it a try. Not really one for a bunch of fried foods, but so I just have these chicken tenderloins in some milk and I'm just breading it. You can smell the seasonings in this House Autry seasoning. It's kind of like a cayenne pepper kind of seasoning. Just breading them up. I'm gonna stick them in and cook them. I think they ended up having to cook for maybe about 5 to 7 minutes total, but just paying attention to how crispy you wanted it. I'm putting them in the basket. The oil's already heated up to temperature around 350 degrees. I'm going to stick them in the basket here and get them going. They're gently in the oil now, and I'm going to throw the lid on and let it do its magic. There's the lid. It does have a see-through where you can see it. Cooked for about 5 to 7 minutes. Very tender, juicy. It's delicious. Should give this seasoning a try. And stay tuned for some more videos. I'm going to be doing some more similar videos with the fryer as I use it more.